As you've seen today with Codespaces, we use our product to build and maintain GitHub. What I'm going to show you today is how teams across GitHub use one of our most powerful products, GitHub Actions, in ways that may not come to mind when you hear CI/CD. GitHub Actions makes it easy to automate all your software workflows. And today, there's over 10,000 in the GitHub Marketplace. And what's really cool about that, it's really about flexible automation that allows for so many potential use cases. And in true GitHub fashion, teams here have used Actions to automate all kinds of work, from technical to non-technical teams. So let's take a look at a few of them. One cool workflow that came on my radar is the mobile team and how they use GitHub Actions to coordinate the releases. GitHub mobile releases update our mobile apps every week with new features, bug fixes, and improvements. That means that Actions workflows push builds to 8,000 beta testers on our mobile app automatically. This saves hours of time each week by letting GitHub Actions do the thing that it's good at, automating. Another way we use GitHub Actions is to automate our workflows in the GitHub Security Lab. They use GitHub Actions to track security reports in GitHub's Bounty program, but also to track vulnerabilities that we find in open source components that we use. When I find a security issue in open source projects, I can go here to report it and fill in the issue form template. As soon as I create the issue, GitHub Actions takes over. It adds vulnerabilities to our internal database and looks for the project security guidelines, and then reports that issue using the project security policy. Okay, so we've got one more that I think is personally amazing, and you're probably going to find it super useful if you're tuning in. A lot of teams use Actions to automate the handoff in on-call rotation. And here on the communities team, they open an issue that tags the right people and makes sure the right knowledge is captured on the new on-call rotation for the necessary context. This is so important for our teams across time zones to keep work moving forward. There's really so many examples, but I just don't have enough time to go over them. And actually, I just got a notification for my Teams action where we do our stand-ups, and I've got to fill out my top 5. So while I'm doing this, let's go ahead and end here.